To create an Xfinity ID, start by going to the Xfinity website and clicking on the Create an Xfinity ID button. This will take you to a registration page where you will need to enter your account information, including your account number and street address. Once you have entered this information, click on the Continue button to proceed to the next step. You will then be asked to provide some personal details, including your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to use a valid email address, as this will be used to verify your account. After entering your personal details, you will need to create a username and password for your Xfinity ID. Choose a unique and secure password, and make sure to write it down or store it in a safe place. You will also be asked to set up security questions, which will help to protect your account in case you forget your password. Next, review the terms and conditions of the Xfinity ID, and check the box to agree to them. Finally, click on the Create Xfinity ID button to complete the registration process. You will then receive a confirmation email to verify your account, and you can start using your Xfinity ID to access Xfinity services and manage your account. It is essential to keep your Xfinity ID and password secure, as they will give you access to your account and personal information. Make sure to use a strong and unique password, and avoid sharing it with anyone. If you have any issues or concerns during the registration process, you can contact Xfinity customer support for assistance.